Bitrix24 CRM is a versatile platform for managing customer relationships, communications, and workflows. Here's a beginner's guide to using Bitrix CRM effectively. Set up your account, sign up for Bitrix24 and customize your profile. Add team members if applicable and set permissions. Navigate the interface. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and main sections like CRM, tasks, calendar, and chat. The CRM section is where you manage contacts, deals, and leads. Manage contacts. Add new contacts manually or import them from spreadsheets. Organize contacts into groups or segments using tags and filters. Track leads and deals. Use the leads and deals pipelines to check potential sales opportunities. Move leads through stages and manage deals progress. Communicate efficiently. Utilize built-in communication tools like email, calls, and chat to interact with clients and team members directly from the CRM. Automate processes. Set up workflows to automate routine tasks such as follow-ups, reminders, and notifications. Use templates for emails and tasks to save time. Collaborate and share. Collaborate with your team by assigning tasks, sharing documents, and discussing projects within Bitrix24. Utilize reports and analytics. Generate reports to analyze sales performance, team productivity, and customer interactions. Use these insights to refine strategies. Integrate tools. Integrate with other tools you use to enhance functionality and streamline workflows.